Hey everybody! Today I am going to give you 5 Google search operators that you cannot live without. Let me tell you. Number 1, quotation marks. They let you search for an exact match of 2 or more words. Number 2, site. With this one you can search in a specific site. So you don't get all the extra stuff with it. You can just search whatever comes up in combination with your other words in this website. Number 3, dash. This will exclude words from your search. For example, you want to search for fruit but not banana. That's what you do. Dash banana. Number 4, brackets. That one will let you combine words. So for example, if you're looking for a sweater, but you want it to be an orange sweater, like mine, because I'm Dutch. That way, you get everything about sweaters, but only the orange ones. It will leave out every other sweater. Number 5, file type. This one is amazing if you're looking for something specific, like maybe a manual or another document that you know exists, but you just don't know where to find it. Putting this there will give you the file. You can search for PDF, doc, whatever file type you can come up with. Alright, thank you for watching. If this was useful to you, please like, subscribe, share it, comment, interact with me. Let me know what you need, what you want, so I can improve my videos and give you all that you need to make your life a little easier. Bye bye.